That looks promising, other than the fact that it looks terrible. That looks promising. What are you whining about? Come off it. What is this? We're going along width, and width is I, so we want it that way. No. We do want this to be X, right? Because it's width, height. Yeah, width, height, depth. Yeah. Is that what the Z format is? I think so. Yeah, that's not what I want. Extraneous bits are simply ignored. Fantastic. What is its visual type? Is that? I think I remember this from when we tried to do the rendering or the graphics context or whatever it was. I think it was the rendering, Xrender. Would be fully visible on the screen and wholly contained within the outside edges of the window. Excuse me? Uh-huh. The specified rectangle of the window would be fully visible on the screen and wholly what do you mean otherwise? There's no otherwise here. Non-inferior windows. Look, if it's obscured, it should result in a match error. Because if it's obscured, it's not fully visible on the screen. There is no otherwise. In fact, this shouldn't happen at all. Visible regions of inferiors. Okay, I clearly don't understand what these terms mean. This is hilarious. Okay, it looks like I've got the coordinates flipped. Yeah, so it looks like the coordinates are flipped. Uh, we'll do it. It's cheap. Okay, so what's happening here? Okay, the coordinate system looks better. This looks like it's half the size it should be. So this is about half the size, and this is maybe double. Something like that. So this is y, which is height. So the major here is height. So so the minor is depth, and then we have width, and then we have height. So I don't think this is right. I mean, I don't know what coordinate system Raylib's using. Lads, gents, chaps, fellas, my dudes. What? I don't think I recessed it. Yes. We're still good. Yep. All right. No, we're still good. That's still based. That's still epic. But what happened here? Here we go. Okay, so we've got some brace conditions going on and poor memory management somewhere. This is still very based, but it is also absolute garbage. Yeah, this one, this one matters. So we're gonna need to know the geometry of the screen, which I think we do. Because I think we have the screen's geometry. State, no, edit state. Yeah, I don't know what's in screen. I think it's got the geometry. XCB screen T. It does. Yeah, so I don't think we're doing this part correctly. But I think something that's a little easier to do is do this width thing first. So I think we just want to clamp it. I think we literally just want to go x context dot screen. Where are we getting the screen from? We're getting it from scr dot script within pixels. Yes. Yeah. What? Yeah, that's not intended. I'm very confused. Oh, that's not correct. Uh, what's the easiest way to... Yeah, here we go. Yeah, okay. So if we go back... Oh, shit, I forgot about that. So that didn't do it. This should be the width, right? Right, because that should be minus geom x. Okay, it's not looping around now. And now, fuck, I keep forgetting about that. And so if we go backwards, yeah, so backwards is still a problem. Okay. This is interesting. Yeah, so that resize is clearly not being done correctly. We're not handling that event right. In fact, do we handle that event at all? Yeah, so we want to know about substructure notify, process X events, create, destroy. Is this on a different thread? Because that is a problem. If so. I don't think it should be, right? Don't we process X events on... We should be locking the structure. Yeah, we process it on the actual thread. We should be locking that mutex though. But the question is, do we want to do this? Like... Oh, we don't need to lock that mutex. No, we own all that memory, right?